Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. Alright, so where do we start? The dog behind Doge meme and Dogecoin cryptocurrency is named Kabosu, and she still lives with her owner Asuko Sato in Sakura, Japan. Kabosu was a rescue dog and became a meme after Asuko uploaded photos of Kabosu, including the one below, on her blog in 2010. And then what you do is you take the Doge and you upload it on Twitter as your new logo, which is not even a big deal when you own the whole company. Man, Elon Musk is a gangster, man. He got no chill at the moment. And that's pretty funny, and that's the reason why we might have seen something like this. But does that mean that we're going to see Dogecoin making the big move? It should, because I think we're really at the bottom of Dogecoin right now. I'm a long-term holder of Dogecoin. I've told you if you've ever been following the channel for a long time, and I'm a very big believer in Dogecoin. I do love the Dogecoin. It's really down. All this blood, it's amazing. And I've told you before, I like what Dogecoin does on the weekly because it's one of those coins that really follows the trading pattern. So previously there was accumulation down there, got a first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and then the fifth wave, and then we had a channel here and a pop to the upside. You've broken out of the channel and you had another downtrend which is broken out of at the moment. So pretty great. And what I can say is that you do have a double bottom right now for Dogecoin, and that's pretty amazing to see. Who knows, if Bitcoin does drop, you can go for a triple bottom and you can actually still be bullish to go to the upside. Now, I do believe that Dogecoin is potentially trying to move sideways and then create an uptrend here. I just don't know when. So let's dive into the smaller time frames and see what is exactly happening for Dogecoin right now. Now, we've actually pumped here for Dogecoin, and that's like nearly 27% move up. So that was pretty much good to see. And is there any room left to go to the upside? I'm just trying to figure out if there's any more resistance that we can probably have. Yes, we do have resistance, of course. As I told you, you're trying to make a double bottom right here. So it might be that you're looking for this resistance right over there, okay, which is still not getting broken out of. So you got one touch, second touch, third touch. But the good thing is that if you do break out of it, we're going to look at a technical target, because you're having the bottom here, second bottom there, double bottom, a nice big W, which is actually a bullish pattern to continue higher. So if things go right, we take the trend line and we drop the trend line from the top to bottom right there, and we might see Dogecoin to actually move up again to this price level, and that's going to be another pump of nearly 48%. But we need to see a very clear break and a retest right over here to continue to the upside. Otherwise, you might even get rejected and go for a triple bottom, and then in the future break to the upside and go even above. So that's pretty much it for this Dogecoin video update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.